If you are new into sports betting, you have definitely asked yourself this question: which sport is best for sport betting? Is it football? Is it tennis? Is it basketball? Is it the American NFL? Well, the truth is, not every sport offers the same betting opportunities. Some are easier, some are difficult, some are easier to analyze as well as some are easier to predict. So in this video, I will quickly compare the most popular sports and reveal which one is best when it comes to sports betting. The first sport I'm talking about in this video is football, popularly known as soccer. Football is the most popular sport for betting, and this is for a good reason. There are thousands of matches every week, and plenty of these matches offer various betting markets and different betting opportunities. And added to that, there are a lot of tools and websites you can use for analysis and predictions. But the downside of football lies in the fact that bookmakers price football matches very accurately, and so finding value bets takes a lot of research and time. The next sport, or the second sport, is basketball. Basketball is very popular across several American countries, especially in the United States of America. You might be surprised to hear that basketball is one of the easiest sports to analyze and predict, because the better side most of the time wins the game, and most often wins all the 4 quarters of the basketball game. It is also great for betting due to the fast-paced and high-scoring nature of the game. If you're the type of bettor that loves goals, then you should definitely be focusing on basketball, because basketball got a lot of goals to provide. The next sport is tennis. Remember, I am giving you a rundown of various sports, and at the end, I'll be proposing the best sports when it comes to betting. So tennis is another excellent option because you are only analyzing 2 individuals instead of analyzing the whole team, as in football or basketball or all the collective games. In tennis, player form, head-to-head records, and court surface can give you valuable betting insights. But be careful, the disadvantage with tennis is that once your bet is placed, even if your player gets injured along the game, you are definitely losing your bet, because there are no replacements and rare are the times that they will postpone a tennis game because a player gets injured. So you should take this into consideration when you are considering your sports for betting. The next sport is baseball and basketball. These sports also offer good betting opportunities, especially if you enjoy analyzing statistics. However, you should have in mind that they require more knowledge as compared to other games, and experience too, making them less friendly for beginners in the betting game. So at the end, which sport is best for betting? If I had to choose just one, I would definitely recommend football. Not because it is the easiest sport to predict, but because it offers the most matches, the widest range of betting markets, and endless opportunities to find value, especially if you are specialized in a specific league like the Premier League, the Serie A, or the Bundesliga. The key isn't betting on every game you see or on every sport, but becoming an expert in one, because the more you understand a sport, the better your betting decisions will be. So get this in mind. The more you understand the rules and regulations of a sport, the better your betting decisions will be. So now it is your turn. Which sport do you enjoy betting on the most? Let me know in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more sports betting tips and winning strategies. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.